Hi everyone, the Coolidge effect. It's a biological phenomenon in animals and in humans. Males tend to exhibit renewed sexual interest whenever a new possible sexual partner is introduced into the mix, as it were. The same can also happen with females, but to a lesser extent. Now, what's the point of it? Well, the whole point is that the recovery after sex, called the sexual refractory period, is reduced, and this means that the male can have multiple partners in a short period of time. And the whole point of this, in evolution purposes, is that a guy can then pass on his genes more frequently through more females. Why do you need to know this? You need to know this because of modern day man has pornography to contend with. Now, a little bit of porn never hurts anyone to a certain extent, but the problem is porn can keep your sexual refractory period quite short, and as you're meeting your ideal partner on screen again and again and again and doing whatever you want to do with them again and again and again, real life just can't compete. Real life is a little bit boring, unfortunately. So porn can cause relationships to actually fail. And they fail because the online partners tend to be more desirable than the boring real life partners. So what do? Well, the solution is quite easy. You stop using porn, or at least reduce it considerably, and just put it down to once a month or once every 2 weeks. It's better for your health, it's better for your well-being, and of course it's better for your real life relationship, which at the end of the day is what matters. So reduce your porn, or actually stop it. Try and go from memory, and then you'll probably be masturbating at a more natural rate. Because if you masturbate too much, it's not going to be good for the health of your penis anyway. So have fun, take care, and watch this video on if masturbation is good for you. Take care. Bye bye.